and then the support. So let's understand how we start this exam. Let's just clear the drawings first. Okay. So you see this exam is a huge shift in the levels, like from the basic double entry, we are going to take you to the complicated group accounts. When it comes to accounting, when it comes to reporting, you will see that the double entry will be everywhere. In every topic, you will have to see double entry. And if you have a good understanding of how the double entry works, you will see that you will be comfortable in all aspects of this exam. Okay. So this is not just about learning the standards. It is about application. And I would say it's not about memorization. It is about applying. It is about doing question practice and understanding the gist of it. Okay. A lot of students would just try to learn things. Okay. That's not the right approach. The best approach is to understand why a certain standard exists. What is the reason for it? Why did the IFRS had to introduce a new standard? Okay, so when you understand the rationale behind the standard, then you can apply it effectively. Okay, so never try to learn things. Always try to understand things, and you will see that it will become easy and it will become enjoyable. Okay, because you see, you people are going to be the accountants, you people are going to be the decision makers, and if you have deeper understanding, you will be able to make good financial statements which are going to support the users. Okay, so understanding the practical application of the accounting standard earns you immediate credibility and respect as an accountant. When you go in any firm and you have deep understanding of the accounting standards, you will see that you will get a lot of respect and your progress will be unmatched. Okay, you will progress smoothly in the real life. Okay.